Hey guys, I'm back again this year doing another treat bag video. Unfortunately last year we didn't have Halloween, so we didn't get to do any treat bags, but this year we're back. We're gonna do some cool treat bags. I'm so excited, so let's get into it. Okay, first let me show you the bags that I'm gonna be using this year. I found these, which are just black jack-o'-lanterns. They come in a pack of 20, and I live here in New Zealand and it's very rare to actually find any kind of Halloween products like this, so I was really excited to see these at just a regular store. I found them at Kmart, which is like Target or something like that, and yeah, normally I have to order these online or find them at like a specialty store, so it's so cool that we're starting to have real Halloween products. They come in a pack of 20. They were just a couple of dollars each, so I'm going to be using these. And now the best part, of course, is the candy. Let me show you what I'm going to be putting inside the bags. I'm going to aim to make probably 60 this year. The first couple of years I got like 100, 120 kids, but the last few years it's been closer to 50, so I got to dial it back a little bit. I'm going to go for 60 bags, although I did buy enough to make about 100, so might have a lot of candy left over. Okay, and the first thing that's going to go in the bags this year are these Hershey Nuggets and the miniatures. And I was really excited to find these because normally we don't really get Hershey products in New Zealand, but we did just have our very first Costco open and I went to check it out and they had these really large bags. This one has 145 pieces and 180, and yeah, I just couldn't resist, even though I generally try and avoid things that have nuts in them. But yeah, couldn't resist. So this one has the milk chocolate with almonds, with toffee and almonds, and I think this is the dark. And then again, the plain one. Crackle, I think, is like rice bubbles or puffed rice. The dark and Mr. Goodbar, I think, is peanut. So this is going to be really fun to give out this year. The next thing that I'm going to put in my bags are these gummies. I know the brand Warheads, but I've never seen this packaging before. I love the Halloween colors with the purple and the green. I think they're just sour gummies, I guess, in like individual little packs. So everybody will get one of those. Another Halloween product I found this year were these Hi-Chews, which I know the brand again, but I've never seen this kind of packaging, which is really cool. I opened one up. Let's have a look. Got the little jack-o'-lanterns. I don't know what that guy is. Oh, a little ghost. Another little ghost. They're just like chewy candies. But I thought that was really cool. And the only other candy that I got this year were these Maltesers. They just come in a pack of 11. They're like milk chocolate malt balls. They're very good. I don't think these ones are actually going to go inside the bags. I'm just going to have these like in a bowl to the side, just in case I run out of all this candy. It's always good to have some extra. Okay, now let's move on to the non-edible items that are going to go inside the bag this year. The first thing, of course, has to be some kind of creepy crawly. I get them in tubes like this. It's just a bunch of mixed bugs, spiders, arachnids, whatever you want to call them. All the bags will get one of those. Another thing I never seem to run out of are these Halloween stickers. I love giving out stickers for Halloween, so I've got a bunch of them. Some of them are half sheets, some of them are whole sheets. I've also got these little like temporary tattoos and a bunch of really cute fun designs. So I'll hand out some of those. And then new this year, I've got these like skeletons. They came in a 6-pack. And to be honest, I'm not really sure these were the best idea because like that face is kind of creeping me out and like I don't really know what kids are supposed to do with these, but I do really love putting Halloween specific items in the bag, so I saw them and I thought, yes, sure, why not? And I bought a bunch of them. The next thing that's going in the bags are these little spider spinning tops. I can't do them very well with my left hand. It wasn't too bad. I bought them a couple of years ago and obviously bought way too many, so they're going in the bags again this year. And then I've also got a bunch of balloons. These are actually really easy to find in New Zealand, so I've got a whole lot of them. Jack-o'-lantern faces and pirate faces. So they're going to go in the bag too. And then would it even be Halloween without some kind of Halloween ring? I've got the little spider rings. I've also got the little bat rings. They kind of come in packages like this. These ones aren't too bad to find. You can get them in lots of different places. Although my front yard decorations this year are mostly spiders, so I might just try and give out the spider rings if I can. Kind of team with the theme. And the only other things that I found this year were these little stretchy animals. It looks like lizards and dinosaurs, but I only found one container. I also have some of these little plastic skulls and some little eyeballs. And then I have these from a previous year. They're just little mini erasers, but I don't think I'm actually going to give these out because I could not find any Halloween pencils or even just pencils with like a nice pattern on them. I could only find like regular plain school pencils. So I might save these for another year when I can kind of pair them together, because it seems weird to give them without pencils. Maybe? Am I wrong? Okay, and I think that's everything that I'm going to put inside my bags this year. But before I put them all together, let me just show you this extra candy that I got. I always like to make a special treat bag for my neighbors next door. And this year I got them one of these large boxes of Rainbow Nerds. I got the Kit Kat milk chocolate chunk cookie. I got the Kit Kat Milo. I also got this, it's like licorice with a sherbet filling, but I've never had the tropical flavor. The other ones are good though, so I'm sure that one will be too. And I got some of these Chupa Chups in the XXL Trio. I guess they're 3 flavors in one or something like that. But they looked interesting. And I'm also going to make a secondary bag for my neighbors on the other side because I got new neighbors this year and they have young children, so I thought they might also like a bag. I've got them the same Nerds and Kit Kats, and then I'm also going to give them some of the Kinder Surprise eggs. I'm going to give them some bubbles. And I found some of these little like jack-o'-lanterns. They wind up and they hop, hop, hop. They're pretty cute. And then I also found these little like plaster of Paris sets. One has the Boo Ghost, one has the jack-o'-lantern face. I'm not sure how good the paints will be, but I think it'll be a fun activity for a little while. Okay, now let's open everything up and start putting together our bags. Okay, let's put together a treat bag so you can see what they look like. I'm first going to go in with a little sheet of stickers. And then, oh, I did figure out these skeletons actually glow in the dark, which do make them a little better. And let's do a couple of the temporary tattoos. And a balloon. And let's do an orange spider. Keep the orange theme going. With the bug, gotta have the spider ring. And let's also do one of these little dinosaur boys. Let's go in with the candy. So we're gonna do the gummy candy and the Hi-Chew and the Freddo And let's do 2 of these guys, and then we'll do 2 of the nuggets as well. They can go in. And I think that's all the stuff. Oh, may as well do an eyeball. There you go. And I'll tie it up. And this is what it looks like when it's all finished. Okay, let's do a second one. Okay, again, we're going to start with some stickers. And a glow-in-the-dark skeleton. Let's do a full skull this time. Of course, got to have the temporary tattoos. And let's do a green guy. Let's do 2 this time. Let's do a praying mantis and a spider. And a balloon. Got to do the strawberry Freddo. Do the gummies. We'll do a ghost. Again, we'll do 2 of the miniatures. And 2 of the nuggets. And I'll tie that up as well. We'll do 1 more just for luck. Okay, let's go in with a full sheet of stickers. And let's do a skeleton boy. And let's go in with one of these wiggly, stretchy guys. We'll do a balloon. We'll do let's do a bat ring. If I can find one. Nope, it's going to be a spider ring. And let's do a glow-in-the-dark spider. And then let's do our candy. We've got the strawberry, another ghost, gummies. Let's do these 2, and let's do those 2. And I think that one's done as well. And this is what they look like when they're all finished and tied up. I think they're so cute. I love them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy Halloween.